Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stop. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, OMG, this is very, I don't even like practice what I'm gonna do with this look, but I forgot that tomorrow is um St. Patrick Day. St. Patrick Day, OMG. By the way, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe on CB Stop, Cherry Beauty Stop, YouTube. I love my new shirt. My friends, I ordered it to my friends. She has a printing business, so yeah, so much for that. But I was like looking on my, what is this? A makeup on my makeup, but and I saw this smoke smoke sessions by Melt Cosmetics, and I never use any Melt Cosmetics. This is the only Melt palette I have because they're expensive. Like their palette is expensive. So I was looking at it. I needed green, and like look at that. Look at that palette. I didn't use it. I swatched a couple of it, and oh my g, that's gonna be perfect. But I just wish that this palette has what you call this, like a lot of transition color. But hey, it is what it is. So I'm gonna use that, and I already have a foundation, brows is done, and a blush. So I'm just gonna do my eye makeup today, and then I'm gonna try to, a little bit of like fun, draw some hats or whatever. But oh my g, let's start. Let's try this one. I hope it's a little bit dark. Mm, it's so pigmented. What's that? Oh, guacamole. That is so pigmented. Okay. Color green. Wow. I have to blend that. This brush is nothing. There's nothing in there. The thing about this Melt is there's no fallout. That is so crazy. So I'm gonna use this gold. So I'm gonna do green and gold. Let's see. I hope it's not gonna in the front. It's not really working, but I'm gonna wet my brush and I'll be back. Okay, let's do this. Why it's not really working? Okay, let's time to paint the face, and I have face painting color, so I'm gonna use that. Bear with me guys because I never practice it, so good luck. Let's do this. There you go. You get a little bit big. Don't worry if you messed up. That is fine. There's no perfect. There's no perfect. There's no perfect in this world. Okay, let me put my lipstick and we're almost done. And there you have it, our simple St. Patrick look for this 2021. Yay! I thought I'm gonna have a problem doing it, but no, this is it's been so long that I did makeup tutorials here in my channel, so I hope you love it. I know it's very simple, and before I always have like a green screen, but it's um my beauty room is far from done. But that's it. And if you are celebrating St. Patrick, I hope what is this be safe and enjoy your beer or green drinks. For me, I'm not sure where we're going tomorrow, but I'd rather stay because it is Wednesday. We have work. I mean, my husband have work the next day. So that's it. And enjoy. I hope you love it, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And always remember that there's always someone who loves